I feel like I need to go to war to defend level one EV chargers because everyone's so negative about them. They're like the underdog that no one expects is going to win. So today, let's talk about 4 wild things that you might not expect from level one EV chargers. My name's Trevor, and I helped launch 2 successful EV charging startups. And if you're interested in all things EV charging, then you're in the right spot. And I'd love if you were to subscribe to the channel. Check out those links below. And I want to hear some comments. I want to hear your thoughts and your opinions about this. Honestly, it hurts when I hear there's people that are driving electric cars and they've never even tried to use their level one EV charger. I'm the type of person that if I have something that I love and it's working really well for me, then I want to share it with other people. And that's kind of how I feel about level one EV charging. It's such a missed opportunity for people that buy an electric car, but they've never even tried to use the little charger that came with it. And that leads me to my first point, which is in many cases, it's all you need. I mean, unless you're driving, super far to work and it takes forever to get there and back, long distances, then yeah, you'll probably need to rely on destination charging or level three DC fast charging in some cases. But me, I live in the city and I'm definitely not driving over 40 kilometers a day, which is actually about how much you'll get if you plug in to a level one charger overnight. And for my American friends, that's about 25 miles for an 8-hour charge. Sometimes those numbers don't really calculate in my head. So I like to use time. So if you were to drive around the city nonstop, running errands without even getting out of your car somehow, then you could drive around for 2 hours straight without running out of power. The next surprising point that you might not know if you don't drive an electric car is the level one EV charger usually comes with the electric car. It's included. And if it's not, then they're usually super cheap. You can order one on Amazon for about 150 bucks. And I've included a link below for one that I'd recommend. The next best point is these work anywhere. It's just like plugging in your phone. You can charge it really anywhere you go. You're going to find a 120-volt outlet that you can just plug into. And this is also great for emergencies. Let's say you go and visit one of your weird friends that lives in the middle of nowhere in like a cabin in the woods. I don't know why you'd be friends with this person, but let's just say you ended up in the middle of nowhere. You can always find a way to charge. I bet your weird friend is going to have electricity. And with that electricity, it's going to be that 120-volt outlet that you can use to charge your car. And the last point is if you have a hybrid, you're laughing. A level one EV charger is more than enough to power your entire car. I almost promise you, you're not going to those DC fast chargers very often because level one will fire up that battery, no problem. I'm super excited because I spent a lot of time and a lot of effort putting all my knowledge and information that I have from my experience all together in one place. And this place is my course called How to Start an EV Charging Business in 90 Days. As you know, I helped launch 2 successful EV charging startups, and this is information that I picked up over the years doing it myself. And honestly, I haven't found anyone else out there that has anything similar to this. So if you're looking for a step-by-step course teaching you exactly what you need to do in order along the way, I have it for you below. It will help you fast track the whole process, help you avoid all the common mistakes, and help you get right to the profits. And I'd love if you were to subscribe to the channel and keep following the journey. Thanks so much for checking in. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.